Success in prelims examination depends upon the three key essential facts. One is the conceptual clarity, second is the practice, and third is your revision and confidence. See, basically if you lack on concepts or on practice or on revision, you cannot qualify this examination, and that is why this exam become one of the toughest examination. If you look at the last 2 years trend, most of the students, they are in fear, right? It becomes a nightmare for them, right? For that we are coming up with a 21 test series. In this test series we will have 10 basic tests in which your all basics will be covered, so that your no concept is, you can say, escape from your eyes. Second level will be a little advanced level on which some applied aspects will be tested, and 4 full length tests will be there. With these tests, before every test you will be provided with a study material so that you can revise that study material and can write the test, right? After that test there will be a discussion taken by our expert faculty, and through that discussion you will know that how to handle this examination, how to solve this paper, how to approach the questions, how to think when there is a question that is asked by UPSC, right? Because if you are unable to think in a right manner, it becomes difficult for you to qualify. It is all about your temperament, your right thinking, your right attitude towards the topic, because UPSC is looking for a decision maker, right? If you can take right decision out of the 4 options which are given to you, success is all yours, right? And third thing is how to revise. That also I will tell you through our video discussions, right? After that you will also get a consistent mentor support, right? The mentor will be available to resolve any kind of doubt that you have with regard to your preparation. So if you have any problem, any guidance that is required, any kind of hesitation is there with regard to prelims examination, any kind of fear that you have, or if you want to excel this examination, I am here with our entire team. Come and join us. We are here to help you. Thank you.